So, ito na yung nakuha natin. So, saan nyo i-claim? Claim.snow.xyz. Okay. So, 21. 7 days mag-e-end. Claim fee is 0.004 BNB. Mga 16 pesos lang to. Okay. So, try natin i-claim. MetaMask. Yun. Successfully claim 21. Ayan na siya. So, check natin. Who is eligible for the airdrop? To be eligible, you must have Reddit account at least 30 days old. Successfully submitted your wallet address before the snapshot. Yung BSC. Tapos, both requirements must be met to qualify for Snow. Yan. Dapat nagawa mo to. Meron pa palang season 2. Ayan o. So, huwag niyong kalimutang i-grind pa rin tong anomaly mga lodi. Kasi yung partner nila, maayos. Merong Shima Capital, Tikasonic, Magic Eden, Sophon, Misten Labs, saka The Notcoin. Notcoin